The child-friendly Shillong today organized the second annual Children Convention at St. Anthony's College, Shillong in promoting child rights and development. The convention saw the participation of around 15 child clubs from different localities. Important topics such as right to development, child participation, traffic rules, right to survival, protection were also discussed during the event. Speaking on the occasion as chief guest, Yamon's AM, chairperson of the Meghalaya State Commission for Protection of Child Rights, emphasized on child rights to be protected, development, a good environment, safe drinking water, food and education. She encouraged the children to continue speaking out and empowering others to do the same.
He's kept dreams in your heart. He's kept love in your heart. He's kept gifts in your heart, in your beings, right? And the fact that we have these child rights club is a privilege, because then you can participate, you can explore, you can develop your skills, your speaking skills, and most of all, you want to change the world, right? There's so many things that are bad. There are so many people who don't have rights, right? And so you're being vocal.
Street speaking, which have helped us in many ways to give a message to everyone that we should not drive the cars fast, drink or drive, or taking drugs, taking tobacco in very young age, and we are now planning to go to Rangmashnang and give a letter to build a speed breaker in our localities, because many of them are very careless while driving and many accidents used to occur. I don't think there are much difficulties, but because sir and ma'am are very friendly from us, then we can tell about our problems and all. That is the main focus. That's why we are not afraid to tell them anything about it. And we are really grateful that we got them, because they are very gentle and kind.
The first of its kind